kindergarten friends, it's me, Mrs. Mish. And today we are going to be making some new words out of old words. Now, we're going to do that by changing the ending sound in a word that we already know. We're going to be using this alphabet cookie sheet. You remember this from our classroom. I snuck in to grab it for us while I was packing up your things. Shh. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to take a word that we already know, like the word is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away the ending sound and replace it with a different ending sound. So let's take away this S and put on a different sound. Let's put on the T. So we took away the S and put on a T. So now it's it. Can you read that word? It. Very good. And let's take away the T and add an N. In. Can you read our new word? In. Great job. Let's take away that N and let's add an F. If. If. Very good. All right, let's put back our F, I, our N, our T, and our S. And let's try a new word. I'm going to grab the A and the T. What word do I have here, friends? At. At. Good job. Let's swap out this T for an M. Am. Very good. Let's swap out this M for N. Now what's our new word? An. Very good. Let's make it a little bit harder. Okay, so now I'm going to take a word that lots of us know. C, A, T. Now we just were able to read at. I'm going to put a C in front of it, and our word is cat. Very good. Now last time we read cat, I swapped the beginning sound. This time I'm swapping the ending sound. So instead of cat, we will have cap. Cap. Good job. Let's swap that P for N. Now what's our new word? Can. Good reading. Let's take away that N and put on a B. Remember, B, where's the belly? Cab. Cab. Great job. Now I don't have capital letters, unfortunately, but let's pretend this was a big capital C. Cam. And Cam would be a girl's name. Remember though, we would need a capital C. All right, my friends. So I'm going to put this away for now, and I've got a little game over here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to be picking out some pictures here, and I'll help you go through these, of course, but with our pictures, we've got a pin, bus, bat, bell, bag. We've got a yoga mat, bed, bug, pig, and map. So what we're going to do is we're going to pair these words up, okay? The beginnings of the words will be the same. However, your match will have the ending different. Let me show you what I mean. So, right here, I've got a pin. So, here is my pin. Now, I'm looking for a word that begins like pin, but has a different ending. So, which of these words begins like pin, but ends differently? Does bus begin like pin? Now, bus begins with B. Pin begins with P. Bat. Does bat begin like pin? No. How about bell? Does bell begin like pin? No. How about bag? Does bag begin like pin? No. Mat. Does mat begin like pin? Mat. Mat. Pin. No. How about bed? Does bed begin like pin? B. Bug. Does bug begin like pin? No. How about pig? Does pig begin like pin? Pig, pin. I think we might have a match here. Well, let's take a look. I'm going to write pin and pig. Pin. In. Those are all the sounds of pin. Pig. G. What do you hear? G. G. Okay, so both sounds begin with p. Then I hear an I, but oh boy, their ending sounds are different. Pin ends in n, and G is the ending sound of pig. So I am looking for that match because my words begin the same, but they end differently. That's what I'm looking for. A pair of words that begin the same way, but their ending sounds are different. So this is a good match for today. Pin and pig. All right, so we found a good pair. Let's get rid of pin and pig. Help me find another match, friends. Let's look for a match for bus. Bus. Now, when we were going through our words, did you hear a lot of sounds that started with b, or a lot of words that started with b? I did. B. This might be helpful if I could write out the word bus. Can you help me? B. Is that how you would spell bus? B-us. So remember, I'm looking for a word that's going to begin with B and U, but I want to change that S at the end to a different sound. Okay, so let's look at our next word. Our next word is bat. Bus, bat. B. Ooh, this does start with b. Let's spell bat. Bat. B. A. T. Ooh, bus and bat both start with B, but not a match because my middle sounds are different. Remember, I only want my ending sound to be different. Do you think you can find a word that has the first and the middle sound the same? It's definitely not bat. Is it bell or bag? Mat, bed, bug, map. Did anybody hear a b word? B. You did? Was it bug? Let's spell out bug. B. A. G. B. A. G. Are our ending sounds the same or different? Different. We found a match. Good job, friends. Let's put these off to the side. All right. Now let's go back to bat and write out bat. B, a, t. All right, so we're looking for another word that starts with b, a. Do you think bell starts with b, a? B, a, ooh, b, a. Ooh. I'm looking for b, a, b, a. Ooh. Is that it? B, a, t, b, a. Ooh. I think I heard a different vowel sound in there. Let's try another one. Bag. B, a, g. Was that it? Let's give it a try. B, a, g. B, a, b, a. Our ending sounds are the ones that are different. T, g, t, g. Is that a match? Yes. Remember, we only want our ending sounds to be different when we're matching our words. So bat and bag are a good pair. All right, friends. Let's see what we've got. Let's do mat and match one with mat. A, t, t. Mat. Which of these words has the same beginning and middle sound as mat? Is it bell, bed, or map? Did you guess map? Let's spell out map. Mat begins with a. Map begins with a. So our ending sounds, friends, are the ones that are different. Looks like we found a good match. And that leaves us with bed and bell. B, a, d, and b, a. Ooh, bell has two L's at the end. And they both begin with B-E, and they end with D and ooh, two different sounds. My friends, thank you so much for playing with me today. Bye.